You're with Jenna, one of three of Bell Booth.
Okay.
Yeah, so basically we're three partners that come together to form Bell Booth Community.
Obviously, 2/3.
Obviously, 2/3.
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Three partners, 1/3, 2/3, and the third person isn't here right now.
Right, that's good.
Yeah.
So, Bell Booth, I'm very curious already. What is it about?
Bell Booth is basically a community where we help showcase women, young female creative entrepreneurs, and showcase what they do, give them that platform to talk about it, to promote it, to connect with other people, other women as well that in similar fields, going through similar struggles.
So, I'm wondering, what was that trigger that inspired this organization, Obviously?
We're talking about this thing.
Yeah,
Yeah. Jenna and I, plus our friend Diane, will talk about like our businesses because we're going through similar things. It feels overwhelming because, yeah, you're alone, you're doing this thing by yourself, but by the time you speak to other people, they have solutions to your problems, and you find out that it's only hard because you're doing it by yourself. When you're doing it with somebody else, you have the freedom to fall, and then you have someone that will catch you.
How did you guys find yourselves?
So we've actually kind of known each other, kind of just running in similar circles.
Yeah.
We're all entrepreneurs, but in different lines of businesses. Avese is an events planner. I work in wellness, the wellness space, and Nez is a nutritionist. This day and age, I feel like we need each other, especially maybe you want to get like permits. Avese was mentioning something about like taxes the other day, going about these things, even just information. It's very important.
That's beautiful, right? So, obviously, you are an event planner, right?
Yeah.
What about event planning that has made you to run to a place like this?
I could literally talk about that morning till night because event planning, for instance, people look at the final result and it looks so beautiful, but the behind the scenes is where the real mental stress is. And one thing is that for event planning, sometimes it can be so overwhelming that it feels like your one mistake is like the end of it all. And then you now speak to, because I'm opportune to like have mentors in event planning space, and you're talking to them and they're like, well, this is the solution, you can just do this, and you're like, why was I stressing about it all along?
So it means that a
It's
place
helpful.
like this, people can act as mentors to you.
Yeah,
That's beautiful. That's very
You have
powerful.
mentors and
Yeah, that's
mentees.
beautiful. Now,
Yeah, whatever field you are in, there are people that are older than you in the
Right,
business, people
right.
you can learn from. Bellboat would help you find those mentors.
Beautiful.